wish you all a very happy 79th Independence Day, especially to our honorable principals and teachers and you all. My name is Sahishti, studying third class, and these are my friends from same class. We are here to remember you are national symbols of India country. What is our national flag? Our national flag is tricolor. What is our national fruit? Our national fruit is mango. What is our national river? Our national river is Ganga river. What is our national flower? Our national flower is lotus flower. What is our national dish? Our national dish is khichdi. What is our national vegetable? Our national vegetable is pumpkin. What is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. What is our national aquatic animal? Our national aquatic animal is dolphin. What is our national game? Our national game is hockey. What is our national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. What is our national animal? Our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. What is our national calendar? Our national calendar is Saka calendar. What is our national song? Our national song is Vande Mataram. What is our national emblem? Our national emblem is Ashoka Stamba. What is our national anthem? Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. What is our national motto? Our national motto is Satyameva Jayate. What is our national language? Our national language is Hindi. What is our national currency? Our national currency is rupee.